Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. How to switch our mind from earning to learning. Sometimes we feel our salary is less as compared to our peers. Sometimes it feels not good. How to switch your mind from earning to learning? See, if you understand this very simple concept, okay, I call this as the money is the residue, the waste of everything we do. Okay, you know, when you take out sugarcane juice, right? When you take out sugarcane juice, after that, that particular, the whatever is the crushed sugarcane is the waste, right? Money is like that only. Okay, see, money is only a thing of exchange. Okay, so instead of focusing on money, start focusing on the kind of lifestyle you want. Okay, start focusing on the kind of lifestyle you want and start working towards that lifestyle. Okay, in that lifestyle, for example, let's take a very simple example. If your current salary is 3 lakhs per 3.5 lakhs per annum, okay, and you are staying in a city where you are renting a one bedroom hall apartment and you are a family, okay, small family, and you are renting a one bedroom hall apartment, and most of your salary or half of your salary is going into this rent, correct? And then there is nothing left. Now you will say, you know what, I need a little bit better salary than this. Okay, one is you work in such a way that next time when the appraisal happens, okay, which is generally every year, every company will do an appraisal. At that time, you get a good enough raise. Okay, from 3 lakh 50,000, you went to 5 lakh. Okay, so instead of 25,000 which were coming in your hands, now you have almost 50,000 coming in your hands, or 45,000 coming in your hands. Okay, so when your half the salary was going towards rent, now nothing has changed in your lifestyle, but suddenly your income has changed, and that will automatically give you a better lifestyle, because either you can upgrade your home, you can find a better place to live in, or living in that same home, if you are happy with that particular home, now you have a easier life than before. Okay, so money is only a medium of exchange. Okay, what you have to understand is that money is the waste of everything you are doing in the day. Okay, very simple example I will give. Let's say you are a front end software engineer. You know React, JavaScript really well. Okay, and your company is hiring full stack MERN engineers. Okay, you know React, JavaScript, but they are hiring full stack engineers at a salary which is double your salary. Okay, so how will you get to that salary? Very simple. If you become a full stack engineer while you are doing full stack front end development, while you are only for focusing on React, you do some course or you study from the book or do something over a period of 6 months to 1 year, and by the appraisal time you are ready that during this last year I spent my time learning full stack development. Okay, now I can also work on the full stack of the project. Okay, and if you are working in a project, your manager will automatically come to know, but you can tell him during your appraisal cycle that these are the things that I have done in the last 1 year. What is going to happen? The manager will say, we are hiring people from outside for full stack development at this rate, so we should increase the salary of this person to this rate. because now we can assign him the full stack development work. Okay, your salary increases when you are ready to take more responsibility, when you become more capable, when you grow in your skills. Okay, and that cannot happen without learning. Okay, so the input in your machine is learning and output is money. Okay, if you understand this simple concept, and see, forget about the salary of your peers, and no two-person's salary is going to be same. No two-person's salary is ever going to be same. Okay, and if you focus, another example I will give you. Let's say you want to climb Mount Everest. If you keep looking at the top of Mount Everest, will you be able to climb it? No. You will fall in the first glacier that comes in. Okay? To climb Mount Everest, you will have to keep your eyes on the ground, and you will have to keep walking and keep seeing that there is no hole in the ground where you may fall inside a glacier. Okay? You will have to go one step at a time. If you keep looking at the Mount Everest, you will never be able to climb Mount Everest. In the same manner, if you keep looking at other people's salary and every day you remain uh, dissatisfied or you remain frustrated, it is going to impact your work. You're not going to perform at the optimum level. You're not going to perform at your best level. Means your salary is never going to increase. Your salary increases when you show a difference between the person who is at A position, and the person who is at B position is different. When you show this different, when you show more capability, when you show more skills, when you show more potential. Okay, the very simple thing is this. I've been talking about this in almost all my uh, live sessions, that if you are looking at a salary, correct? If you're looking at a higher salary, if you're looking at better benefits, okay, then the most simple thing you can do is you can become an A player. Okay, so if you are looking at your salary, then this is the thing, that if you become an A player, then your salary will be the highest in the bracket that you are. For example, if you are a 3 years experienced person, along with you there are 10 other 3 years experienced person, but you are an A player and they are B players, then your salary will be much higher than all this rest of the same experienced people who are doing the same work. Okay, and how you can do it, I've already shown it to you, that this, when you understand what is an A player and how to become an A player, then you will be able to change your salary. Is that okay? So make sure that you are in that particular range where uh, your skills and capabilities are such that companies are ready to pay you more to keep you in the company, because A players never get laid off. A players will also uh, are the people who are the last ones to go. Is it okay? So make sure that you understand what is an A player, and then you strive to become an A player. Okay. See, if you, even if you don't, of course, I always tell people that it is so easy. I made this program because I made this program as a shortcut for you. What I have learned in the last 23 years in the software industry, that I have taken it and have condensed it into a 6 hours training, and I'm giving it to you. So when you understand these principles and start working on it, maybe when you do this program for the first time, maybe you don't understand all the principles. Maybe you understand few principles. but your life will start changing with these principles because you are now working on yourself. You have started thinking about what makes you an A player. When that happens, okay, then nobody can stop you from becoming an A player. You will never have to compare your salary with the other person. Okay, Vivek, from my first job, my first job was in 1995. It was a small software company which used to make antivirus software. Okay, and I joined as a junior customer support engineer, and I joined in such a way that during the interview, the manager told me that, Amit, you don't have any technical knowledge. And I joined because I told the manager that if you don't find me uh, qualified after 1 month, then I will go away, I will leave the job. Okay, in that company, every 3 months, I used to get an appraisal, a financial appraisal within a period of 12 months. My salary had already doubled, and by 18 months, I had become a regional customer support manager. How did this happen? Even with the first company, it was because right from that time onwards, I had become an A player. And why did I become an A player? Because I have this habit of reading books. You can see these books here. This books here, right? I have the habit of reading books right from college. I used to read all these self-development books. Okay, the program that you see on how to become A player is the condensed version of reading so many books. Okay, even before joining my first job, I had read so many books that I knew exactly what I need to do to become an A player in any company, and that had nothing to do with my technical skills. Okay, that had a lot to do with my ability to learn, the ability to perform, the ability to speak to my clients, ability to read and respond to emails, ability to write a note to people, okay, my ability to grasp the concepts quickly. Okay, all this came by reading. Okay, and in this program, that is exactly what I'm teaching you, that how to develop all these abilities, how to become so good that people look at you and say, okay, Vivek, this is the salary we are giving you, will you be ready to join us? Okay, people should ask you what salary you would like to take to join us. That should be the way. Okay, if you keep focusing on money like Mount Everest, you will fall in the first glacier that comes in because you have not developed yourself, because you have not focused on work. Because when it was time to work, you were frustrated because somebody else is getting a little bit more than you, or maybe a little bit too much more than you. Okay, instead of seeing that he's getting little bit more than you, ask yourself, why is he getting more than you? What is different? And observe that person. If you start observing, even with that, you will start learning. Okay, Vivek. So, to take your mind from learning to earning, money is the residue of everything that you're doing in your life. Okay, and if you want that residue to be good, if you want that residue to be more, then you make sure that you take out all the juice that you have it in you in the work that you are doing. Okay, so when you take out all the juice, the residue will be really good. Is it okay, Vivek? Let me know if you are still listening to me. Okay, let me know whether this makes sense or not. One trick, Vivek, I have is that which I used to use a lot, is to define one very big goal, something that is unachievable by me. Okay, when I quit my business and when I got into a job, I thought that I will get this kind of a salary, and nobody was ready to give me that salary. But I accepted a lower salary. I accepted a salary which was half of what I was thinking I should get. But I worked on my job as if I'm getting that kind of salary. I worked on that particular, all the projects that I was given. I worked as if I'm getting that kind of a salary. Within a period of 2 years and 9 months, I reached that salary level within a period of 2 years and 9 months. So you think about it, 100%, more than 100% appraisal in 2 years and 9 months. Okay, within 2 years, 60% appraisal, and then the rest, whatever was left out in the rest of 9 months. Okay, so if you think about this big goal and keep repeating to yourself that this is what. Recently I heard a very good small reel on Instagram. It was Rohit Shetty, the director of Singham and other movies. So he said something, that is, somebody gives you 100 rupees, then you do the work that is worth 1000 rupees. Okay, if somebody gives you 100 rupees, then do the work that is worth 1000 rupees. If you do that simple thing, then automatically your salary and everything will start growing. Okay, and of course, if you want shortcut, then enroll into my A player program, in which I go through all these concepts. And when you start focusing on that, on those concepts, automatically your focus will come back to, okay, what is the best thing I can do. Okay, and it will teach you how to think. That's what the program is about. Whatever is your salary, even if you get a 20% or 30% or 50% raise, that this program's cost will be paid off within the next appraisal cycle. This, whatever program is there, this program's cost will be completely paid off. Okay, and all the people who have joined this program, I have seen that within a matter of 6 months to 1 year, they have got at least 50 to 100% hike. The last student, mm, Shreyash Asarkar, he got 3 hike in a matter of 1 year. And now I cannot say that it was because of my program. I don't know how much he did my program. Did he watch all the videos or not? Because I cannot go and. But he came back to me and he told me on LinkedIn chat that, Amit, you know what? In this last 1 year, I have got this much hike. Okay, and then there was the final hike. When he got that final hike, he was asking me, should I ask for more? And I said, you already got more than 100%. Why do you want to go and kill your opportunities? Now you work for the next appraisal cycle, and for that, whatever you need to do it, so that for the next appraisal also you will get a, maybe a better hike, maybe 50%, 100%, whatever hike you want. Okay, so it's all about that. If you have the ability to define your vision, then automatically, or destination, which I call, then automatically those things start working. Okay, and such training programs actually help you to. It is a shortcut. Not that you cannot do it on your own. You can read all these books, all the books that are there out here. You can read all these books, but maybe it will take, if you're a voracious reader, maybe it will take you 1 year to read all these books and start implementing. Okay, or you do a program like I have, and it's a shortcut to your success. Is it okay, Vivek? So next time, before you ask me such a question, I'm going to ask you, did you enroll into my program? Okay, and I will know if you enrolled today. All of you who are still watching this video, like this video, so that YouTube algorithm will spread this video. Subscribe to this channel if you have not yet subscribed, and press the bell icon so that you will get all the updates when I'm going live. Thank you very much, and see you in the next live.